Hello everyone, this is Ryan here from Georgetown Chevy. Today I get the pleasures of showing you this beautiful 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. This truck has the Z71 off-road package, also has the towing package on it as well. You got your nice red tow hooks, this beautiful LED lighting, and the front headlights. You are getting some accessories with this truck. You're getting the stone deflector guard on your hood. You're getting your step sides. You're getting the trifold tunnel cover. This truck also has a spray-in bed liner. Right? Listen to that beautiful exhaust rumbling. You have the easy steps in your rear bumper. This truck is keyless entry, crew cab, 4x4. Speaking of which, here's your 4x4 buttons. Let's jump in the truck here. You got power mirrors, power windows, power locks. You have cruise control. Here's the toggle switch for your drive mode. So you got off-road, sport, normal. We turn this switch to the left and engages your towing switch on your transmission, which is nice. Feature to have here. This does have the towing package. So here's your trailer brake controller. You have downhill descent, auto stop. This is the button to lower your tailgate, 4 ways. Traction control, block heater, heated steering wheel. You have heated front seats. This truck is beautifully packaged. It's coming to you with 144,282 kilometers. We're asking $38,900 for this steal of a truck. Basically, the only thing that this truck is missing from being a top-of-the-line truck is a sunroof, leather interior, and adaptive cruise control. As I mentioned before, this does have cruise control doesn't have adaptive cruise control. Basically what that means is it's missing the sensors in front of the front bumper that allows the vehicle to pace itself with the vehicle in front of you. But anyways, moving on with the show here. This truck also has the power third sliding window, which is a beautiful feature. Let's take a look in the back. As I mentioned before, this truck is a crew cab. Beautifully spacious. Please look away from the dirt. As I took this truck away from the detail shop, I was just so excited about it. I want to show you guys this beautiful truck. So you have some storing compartments on either side of the back seat here. Cup holders in the rear for your guests when they want to drink their coffees and don't want to hold them in their hands. Has some plugins in the back as well. Also rear climate controlled. This is one beautiful truck. A truck of this nature, brand new without the accessories, is going to run you, roughly $70,000. So, $38,900. This is a cracking deal. I don't expect this truck to be staying on our lot. We find trucks like these fly pretty quick. You're getting a steal. You're getting all the accessories. You're getting the 5.3 liter engine with 355 horsepower, 383 foot-pounds of torque. This truck does have 9,000 pounds of towing capacity and 1,700 pounds of payload. So basically, weight you can put in the back of the truck. So this is a Trail Boss to your liking, and you want to book a viewing or a test drive, please don't be shy. Reach out here to the team at Georgetown Chevy. We'll be happy in assisting you and looking at this truck or any other trucks or vehicles in inventory. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to your visit here at Georgetown Chevy. Ciao.